Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are figuring out once and for all how the Accolade sizing works in shorts. Now I have with me two sizes, the extra small as well as an extra small. I'm going to show you some size comparisons with them laying flat, and then we're going to go ahead and put them on and see how those sizes play out IRL. Now, first of all, I do want to note the Accolade shorts are the same cut as the Accolade sweatpants. So these are going to be, the same sizing. Now, Accolade in general is intended to be oversized. So don't take this to mean, that these are any way, shape, or form aligned with like real sizes or like normal traditional brands that make, non-oversized sizing. So with that said, we're gonna go ahead and measure the waist, and I'm not entirely sure how we do this, like standardly, but I'm gonna give you the data so that you can, make your own decisions. So without stretching the fabric, it looks like the waist of the extra small is about 14 inches. Now let's see if I can do this while stretching the fabric. Let's make this a little longer and see just how far this will actually stretch. So it looks with stretching it, they'll get up to 16 inches. So that starts to show you there's a lot of playroom here. So it's 14 to 16 inches. That's a big difference. All right, that's the extra small. Now let's try out the extra small. So extra small is going to be, 15, almost 15 and like an eighth, okay? That's without stretching it. Now, if we do stretch it, it can get up to 17 and what is that? 17 3/4. So there's a big size difference here. Now, while we have our ruler out, let's go ahead and measure the length because that is really important as well. So the extra small is almost 13 inches. So it's like 12 3/4. Whereas the extra small, I believe, is a little bit shorter. So let's go ahead and line them up perfectly and take that same exact measurement. So here we have just about 12.5. So you have like an extra 1/4 inch there. Now let's check out the inseam. So the inseam is going to be 3 inches exactly on the extra small. And let's see, 3 inches and 1/4 on the extra small. So it feels like we're getting a little bit more, like a 1/4 inch on the length, a 1/4 inch on the inseam. That would make sense. That's where that extra 1/4 inch is coming from. And then actually a lot more give up here. So let's go ahead and just hold them up to each other. You can see how that difference? That feels like more than one size difference to me, at least. And let's go ahead and stretch them out, and they both stretch out. Plus that extra little bit, which I am not pulling specifically, right? There we go. So there is a lot of flexibility. That being said, both sizes would probably work for a lot of different people. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, and we can analyze what you think looks best for me. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. So first I tried on the extra small, and this is the size that I tried on in the original video of my unboxing of the spruce green color. Now, I do like the extra small fit, and this is the size that I've picked up in the sweatpants that I own in the ballet pink Accolade set. So if you want to see how those pants look, check out my unboxing on the ballet pink colorway. Now, I feel like the shorts are kind of the same fit, right? They are the exact same material, same construction, everything. They just end in shorts instead of full pants. So I don't think that there's that much difference between the shorts and the pants. And the pants are pretty comfortable. That being said, there is space in them, and I do notice them being a little bit more oversized. Now, because these are shorts, I don't know how I feel about that. Number one, I don't think they're gonna shrink. But number two, because they're shorts, maybe I want a little bit less fabric. So this is the extra small, and I actually think they fit a little bit better. They felt like they fit more like my size, but just looking at them, I felt like the difference was negligible. Like, I don't know if you can tell. If you can tell a difference, do let me know in the comments below, because I personally can't. So I think when it comes to size differentials between one step up size, so like extra, extra small versus extra small or extra small versus small, you're not going to find a lot of difference. All of that is to say, go with the one that you think is going to be more freeing. If you genuinely like something that's a little bit looser versus a little bit more snug, go with the higher size and get that comfort. That's all I have for you. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.